You know that sound. Soyez le bienvenu. Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn real-life French in a clothing store. Practice simple dialogue to ask for clothes, discuss sizes, try outfits, and pay at the cashier. You want to know that? Let's go! Salutations et questions sur les robes. Okay, salutation is greetings. Okay, and asking about dresses. So in our picture we have two women asking for a dress, a robe. A robe is robe po is a dress. Okay, so yung client. So bonjour, bonjour, je cherche une robe pour une soirée. Sabi niya. So hello, I'm looking for a dress for an evening event. Ah, okay. Oui, madame, bonjour, bien sûr. Quelle couleur préférez-vous? Sabi niya. Of course, what color do you prefer? So, nagpili siya because there are a lot of colors, okay? Now, in here, the client asked for a dress at evening event. And now what color? Because there are many colors, so the saleswoman, okay, the vendeuse or saleswoman ask for what color, okay? So because there are many and what color. Ready? Get it? Merci. This time is discussing options and sizes, okay? Discussion des options et des tailles, okay? Vendeuse. Vendeuse. Voici plusieurs modèles, madame. Quelle taille faites-vous? So discussion of options and sizes. Sabi niya, and she said, je fais de 38. Avez-vous de cette taille? Ah, sabi niya, I wear a size of 38. And sabi niya, do you have that size? Oui, regardez ici. Sabi niya, look, yes, look at here. So here, they're selecting the styles and confirming the availability of the size, okay? Sélection des modèles et vérification de la disponibilité des tailles des robes. Okay, get it pas? Merci beaucoup. After selecting the style and the size, we are going to try first. Try on the clothes, okay? Try is essayer les vêtements, okay? Try it on. Kung bagay, if it fits or not, o kung bagay man, okay? So, le client a dit, est-ce que cette robe me va bien? Sabi niya, does this dress suit me? Sabi, oui, elle vous, elle vous va très bien. Voulez-vous l'essayer d'autres couleurs? Sabi niya, yes, it suits you very well. Would you like to try it in other colors? Sabi niya ganun. So, see? So, the client essaye la robe et demande l'avis de la vendeuse. Donc, the client tries on the dress and asks for the woman's opinion kung bagay sa kanya or not. Okay? Essayer is to try. Essayer. Okay. Get it pa? Merci. So after choosing the robe, what dress, we need to ask for the price and how we're going to pay. Okay? Okay. So this dialogue is about the price and the payment method at the register. Okay? Dialogue concernant le prix et le mode de paiement en caisse. Okay. So, combien coûte cette robe? Sabi niya, how much does this dress cost? Elle coûte, robe is féminin, elle coûte 125 euros. It costs 120 euros. Okay? Ah, okay. Sabi ng client, je la prends. Je la prends. I take it. Puis-je payer par carte? Sabi niya, can I pay by card? Oui, bien sûr. Yes, of course. So, she paid it. She paid the dress by card. Okay, so the finalisation de l'achat et de mode de paiement. Finalizing purchase and payment method. Because here you can pay par carte ou par espèce. Okay? Got it po? Merci beaucoup. Of course, we are going to Emballé, we need to pack the dress, okay, properly and put it in a nice bag. So, you will say, merci beaucoup et au revoir. Thank you and goodbye. Okay, with your bag, with your dress, of course. Get it po? So, sana po wag mong kalimutan ang paano pagpili, how you choose. The tie is the size and the mode of payment when you pay. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-comment po for more dialogue. Merci. Au revoir.